Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to FPVXP. So, as you probably all know, I built the Armattan Marmotte. And into the Armattan Marmotte, I built the Mamba stack. And I got some Mamba motors. And little known fact that the Mamba known motors are actually diatone. Little bit of racing DNA put into my Armattan Marmotte there. 2650 kV. The stack was nice. It came with the 4-in-1 ESC. It was tested. Really no low noise by the looks of it. The performance has been great. It was a sunny day. I decided, let me rock and roll out to this parking lot that I've been eyeing out for at least 3 or 4 decades easy. And built up the courage, went up there to do a bit of reconnaissance to share with the boys, see if it's something we want to do in future, and had a bit of a rock and roll. Didn't break anything, at least not there. Went to a second location and completely trashed my quad, but that's another day's story. Great quad, great performance, really punchy. I haven't seen anything like it before. So very impressed with those Mamba motors by Diatone, also used on their anniversary edition racing quad that was recently released. Very good. This is the video, guys. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.